Good evening students, welcome back to our channel Ach'z. So today 26th October 2024 we had IELTS exam. So the question papers were different in various centers. So we got around 3 set of question papers. So I thought of coming and directly sharing the information. So if I'm making that slides and all means sometimes it will be difficult to understand. That's why I just thought of discussing the information directly. We have students all around the world, so from different centers and different countries students shared this particular question papers. So I just want to inform you that because previously also we done so many videos in correlation with a different set of question paper. So that's I saw some comments in relation to whether we will get 2 set of task 2 set of task 1. It's not like that. It's about the available question papers we are sharing with you. Okay, so any particular set only you will get, so you will not get all the set together and all. Previously it was like based on the times only the question papers differ, but nowadays we can't able to see about even a country different set of question papers we are getting in the centers. So let's see about the question categories which they got in the exam today. So I am sharing about the pen and paper delivered IELTS only. So in some centers, the task 2 topic was more and more people are using mobile phones and the internet to communicate. Therefore, people are losing their ability to communicate face to face. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this was the question for task 2 academic module in some centers. And coming towards the one another set of task 2 for again academic module only, some people think that the best way to improve road safety is to let the driver test each year. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So those who are planning to do driving, they want to undertake the driving test each year. That is to improve the road safety. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Again, opinion type essay only. And again, I just want to convey one another topic. Some people say that modern technology has made shopping today easier, while others disagree. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So it's about the modern technology and influence of that in our shopping. Discuss both views and state your opinion. So these are the 3 different questions we got for essays, that also for academic module. Today academic and general module was there, so it's about the academic module I'm sharing. So students are from India and other GCC countries only share these particular questions. Okay, now we will discuss for the next category. It's about the task 1 under academic. In one particular set, it was pie charts below show the different types of courses which were followed by the students during the year of 1984, 1994 and 2004. It's about the one of the repeated question we can say. The course followed by students in 3 different years. So the combination of 3 different pie chart, you need to compare the data. So you can just divide the body paragraph into 3 also. Okay, based on the pie chart, or else you can just compare 2 different year in a single body and the another in the second body. Like that also you can group your data. So it's about the one particular question set. Now about the another set of task 1, it was a line graph. The graph below shows the changes in UK birth rate of women in 6 different age group from 1973 to 2008. It was a line graph. Okay, so that's about the second set. So again, one another set, it was a bar graph about 3 different tasks only, pie chart, line graph, bar chart, everything was there. So they got the bar graph, it was the details about the 4 different country population rate, and also that's about the 6 different years. So that's about the 3 different tasks they got under academic module. So I think you are clear about the task 1 and task 2. 3 different set, it's in 3 different centers. Okay, so we shared about task 1 and task 2. Now coming towards the general module, in some centers they got the question like most people are living in bigger apartments, so explain whether it has advantages or disadvantages. Okay, you need to compare whether advantage is more or disadvantage is more to living in bigger apartments. So that's about the task 2 for general module. And some other students shared the question like, in the modern world, it is no longer necessary to use animals for food or to use the animal product. So for instance, like the clothing, medicine and all. So to what extent do you agree or disagree? So these were the two different question set shared by students from different centers. And for general module writing task 1, some students got the letter like letter to the authority. You have noticed that few college students having some dangerous activities, involving in some dangerous activities. So you need to raise a complaint to the principal related to that, and you need to include what you have seen, how can it impact the college reputation, and you need to suggest what action the college want to undertake. So that's about the one set. And one another set I just want to share, it's an informal letter. You want to write a letter to your friend to take care about your kids. I think it was again repeated one only. So you should include about what all are their daily activity, when you are planning to go, when you will come back. Everything you need to explain in detail. So that's about the two different letters they got today. Now we will move on to the listening set. So under listening set, I just want to convey about the question category in general. They got fill up type of question. In all the centers, they didn't reported any type of map related question. MCQs, short and long MCQs. Then selection of later category and also matching type of questions were there. That is all together we can say. And some students, they just mentioned about the audio also. The first set of audio was an inquiry call about the resort booking, holiday resort booking. And the second audio was about the introduction of an art gallery or a building to a group of people. And the third passage, it was an academic discussion. The students were discussing about the seminar submission and all. And the last was about the relationship of children with music. So these were the audio shared by students. So you can also comment your experiences below. That will help the other students, those who are planning to take the IELTS and those who already given their exam. They can compare the things and all. Now we will move towards the reading section. Altogether, the question categories like fill-up type of questions were more in not completion and also summary completion format. MCQs was there. Then matching type of question. Actually, they reported in different manner. They asked matching type of question. List of heading was there. Then which paragraph contain this information. Also, they just want to cross with the writer's opinion and all. And yes, no, not given was there in some centers this time. So these were the question categories in general. And I just want to share the passages shared by the students again. Art of history, then quiet roads ahead, how bacteria invented gene editing, then history of wedding cake, activities of children, ensuring our future food supply, and one is without heading and it's about the technology. So these were the passages shared by the students, okay. It's not in the order and all. Maybe you got different set and all. So you can just comment your experiences below. Anyway, altogetherly, these were the passages for the today's exam. So most of the passages from our reading ebook only. That also very happy to say that from our volume 1 they got around 3 different passages, and from volume 2 also 2 different passages. As per the students review, I am saying that. Okay, so if you got any other passages, means try to mention that below. Then we can also cross check whether it is from our reading ebook or is that from any other source. So along with that, some students who written general module also shared the passages about communicating styles and conflicts. Then one is about the research based on the twins, and one about the dog, related to the dog and human, the companionship, or it's based on the history of one particular dog and all. Then one is about the printing process and the advertisement portions. These were the passages shared by the student, those who written general module. So I hope the exams went good, and these were also with the pattern of our general module reading ebook only. The same format only they got in the real exam. Now I just want to convey about the speaking cue card also, which they got in today's exam. So in the upcoming exams also you need to concentrate on these cue cards. One is about to describe a skill or a subject that you would like to learn in the future. The second one, describe something you did that made you feel proud. So the student from Punjab only shared this cue card. Then the next one, describe a person who likes to make things by hand. I think yesterday only we just uploaded the sample for this particular card. So it is very important. Next one, describe a time when you answered a phone call from someone you didn't know in a public place. Again, the sample is available in our channel. And one another cue card, student from South India. Describe a prize you have recently received. You need to talk about a prize you have recently received. So these were the question cue card the shared by student. And again, one another, describe a time when you received good service in a shop or a store. Okay, so these were I think this student is from Nepal. These were the cue cards shared by students for today's IELTS exam. So try to prepare with this, and all the very best for your results. I hope these videos will help you out, because we are making the review section to let you know about the trend. Okay, so based on that you can make your preparation for the upcoming exams. And if you want to purchase our reading ebook, means you can just contact via the WhatsApp number, and you can just receive your copies. It's in ebook format only, and many of them requested for the writing books with the sample and all. Yeah, we will work on that. Mostly from the next month onwards we will make some arrangements to prepare according to the 20 days or 30 days plan and all, including task 1 and task 2. Yeah, we will release as soon as possible. So thank you so much for your time, and also all the very best for your results. God bless you all.